What's up? We're back out in the shop today, gonna work on the truck some more. Been a little bit busy, haven't been filming any of it, but I got started on the flatbed for this thing. Waiting for Big Red to show up, help me lift it off the back here so I can finish welding it. I'm a little weary about welding it all the way up with it being over top of that fuel tank, so we're gonna lift it off the back of the truck and finish welding it up. But it's coming along, looks pretty cool. I'm using some of this, it's like hand railing type stuff bought from a buddy of mine. He was closing up his shop and had a whole bunch of extra steel that he had sitting around. He said he was gonna have to scrap if somebody didn't buy it, so I said, you know what, I got a use for that. I'll come grab it from you. So thanks, Doug. We'll throw on the cameras and maybe catch some of me putting some of this together. Worked pretty good for the fender tubs. Seems for it to be all the way flat. The tire would be coming up into the bottom of the board, so we had to make some fender wells for it, but we'll make them look cool. Not sure if I'm going to use diamond plate on those. I was thinking a street sign or some old license plates. It would take quite a few license plates to fill that. It'd look cool though. I don't know. Probably just end up going diamond plate or just steel, but keep going on it. Well, caught some kind of bastard pebble on the ground, sent me on my ass.
I've fallen, and I can't get up.
We're sending help immediately.
Didn't catch it in real time, but it should show up in the time lapse I had going on. So I guess I gotta clean up the mess. try and find some diamond plate to run flat here, up over top of these, and then over this. And I want to build a box that fits down underneath here, and maybe make it so that this part will pick up like that, so I can put chains or tow ropes or tools or whatever inside of those. And eventually I may cut the boards along here and plate this in diamond plate as well and build a box underneath here, but we'll have to see how that goes. But it's coming along pretty good. She's got a bed on her. Gotta figure out some tie downs. I might do some like some D-rings off of here and some more D-rings up here. We put these stake pockets in the front and down the sides. Get on the back here and kind of show you. I'm gonna end up putting the stakes so they'll sit right here for the bed sides, and we'll do like 2 2x8s tall, so it'll have bed sides on it. I'll probably end up taking a torch to this wood and burning it before we stain it, so it got old burnt. And then I'm gonna try and find some of that rust colored Zolatone stuff to spray the frame with, so it looks old and rusty, but it's finished and done new. Doesn't cover the whole tire up. I'll probably get griped at by the cops, but at least it covers some of it up. I'm gonna have to probably at some point figure out some mud flaps to put on the back of it, some temporary clip-on ones or something. But I'm gonna go take it for a spin and see how she rides with the weight on the back.